Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, today we're working on the 2006 Toyota Sienna, and we're going to be replacing the power steering pump, and it's down there, all the way down there. Yep. This is the power steering reservoir. So, about to go down below. Alright guys, we down here on the bottom with the power steering pump at. This bolt right here is a size 12, so we're going to loosen that. That'll give you the, some tension, slack to get your belt off. Alright, got that loose. Alright guys, once I loosen that bolt right here, that 12 right there, also I had loosen too, because I was gonna take this bracket off because I gotta put it on a new pump. But see this wrench, this is a size 14, this bolt back there, but once I moved that, I was able to move the pump up and down to get the tension off of the belt, which is the belt off right here. Even though I didn't even loosen none of the screws on the back side yet to get the pump out, but I guess they ain't that tight, so it allowed me to move that belt. So then you just move your belt out your way. Just slide it down towards the front. Drop it down out the way. Okay, you got two. I mean the bracket is bolted onto the power steering pump. You're usually gonna have to put that on your new pump. But you got a bolt right here going through this hole, like right back here. It's size 14. Then you got one at the top. It's hard to even try to get to that one for y'all to see it. But if I can get a good view on it, I get it. And this hose right here, you can take it off right here or at the top on the reservoir. And then you got the high pressure line right up here. Let me see. Got the high pressure line right there. You have to take that off up there. But you gotta probably move this one out your way first so you can see it. So I get to it, I'll try to let y'all see that. Alright guys, see this clamp right here. Gonna look that up. See the needle nose pliers, 90 degree angle one. Well, it don't matter, or some regular pliers, whichever one you got. So we got that loose, so I'm gonna get some pliers and kind of turn it side to side as you pull it up. I might not be able to show y'all that because I need my hands. Guys. Alright guys, I got the hose off here, and the high pressure line is right here. And this size is a size 15, 16 wrench that you're going to put right there. See it and just break it loose like that. Y'all see it loose? Yeah, I can't. And just screw it off. And it also got a electrical connect on top of it. Be careful because the fluid is going to run down. Make sure you have a little drain. And it's got a electrical connect on the very top of it. Up there. Y'all can see it up here. Let me see. Oh yeah, I can see it. Let me pop that. See if I can pop it off. Oh, there it is. Y'all see it? And then just screw it off. And it also should have some washers on it. It had like 2 washers on it, shouldn't it? One on top, one on bottom. One right here. Yeah, it's one on top, one on bottom. Make sure y'all don't lose those because my power steering pump didn't even come with no new washers, so that means I gotta reuse these that's on here. So hopefully that goes smooth. I'm just trying to let it drain some more before I pull it off. Let me use my other hand. But yeah guys, that's how you get those lines off. Now the good part about this washer, it ain't gonna fall off. It's kind of made like a U shape to fit on the top and the bottom, so have to worry about that. Alright, y'all, the screw to get this power steering pump down is a size 12 millimeter. You got this one right here, the one that's gonna loosen your belt up. And I just dropped this bracket down because this screw was on this bracket right here. It was right here. And then some other screw is right here. Now, I can see this bolt right here. Right there, that's the size 12. That's what you gotta get loose to get the pump. The rest of the pump out after you take the hoses and stuff out. So that's what I'm working on. Alright guys, we got the pump down. You see the screw sticking out? That's the 12 that I had to take out for it to come all the way out. Oh yeah. When I had this in the car, that bolt that went through here, it was a size 12 that I told you, but I couldn't get a big ratchet on it, so I had to use the little 1/4 ratchet with the small 12 and be able to get it loosened. And like I said, these brackets, you got to take these brackets off because you got to put them on your new pump because it don't come with the brackets unless you buy one that come with the brackets. Yeah, these was some nuts on these right here, which was here. So you just unscrew it from the back, take that out like that, and then take this other one off. So, see how it's gonna go back, just like that. That's one bracket. Now, we still gotta get this bracket off. Yeah, here go my new pump. So you gotta put them brackets on here. So basically we're gonna put the bracket back on there. This bracket go like this on this front base right here. And then this other bracket goes on the back like that. I'm gonna put the screws through there. See that's how that's gonna go. They're gonna get right on these two here. And the nuts gonna go back on them. Like that. So that's how you can get it back on, guys, and just put your nuts and stuff back on your screws. I'll be back when I get it on. Alright guys, I got the bracket back on here now. But what I did notice on my other one, I had 3 screws. This one got a hole right here, but there's no threads in there for you to put a bolt in it. So just got a screw left over. And I thought I was gonna be able to go right through these holes and line everything up, but the holes don't match up with it to get you directly on the spot where you need to be. So, but anyway, you still can get them tightened up. They size 14s. Alright guys, I got my pump back up here. The bolt is up there. Remember I showed y'all that it's a size 12 on the top. And then the pressure line is a size 15, 16. This is your pressure line right here. And don't forget to put your electrical connector back on right here on the top. I'm gonna put mine on. I'm trying to tell y'all about it. Alright. So I got that on. I'm gonna tighten this up some more, but what I'm about to do now is get the belt back on and put my tension back on the belt. Alright guys, got everything back on tight. Had to change this clamp out because the other clamp was the tension went back and right, so my boo had to change that out. But we got everything hooked back up, all the bolts on. And that's gonna be it for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell your grandma, tell your granddaddy, tell everybody. We out.